In this short practice, we're going to identify domain and range. Very simple. Domain is input, range output. Domain is input, range is output. Input, domain, range, output. All right, we can write it out. What is domain? We can write domain is 0, 2, 4, 6. And range is 1, 5, 9, 13. You can write like that. You can also put them in the bracket. Okay, that means the set. And let's read aloud here. What is the domain? Remember, domain's input 3, 5, 7, 8. Domain. Range 7, 5, 3, 2. That's range. Domain -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. That's domain. Range -2, -1, and 0, 1, 2. That's range. Before you leave, I hope you keep this note. The note says, what is a domain? A set called a domain containing numbers called inputs, and a set called a range containing numbers called outputs. Happy learning!